And we're going to do a mango trifle. Okay, it's a tropical trifle, which is perfect for a dinner party. And you know why?
Why?
Because you can do this in advance. So the ingredients are really straightforward. We're using store-bought cake. And then we've got fresh mangoes here as well. Local mangoes.
Local mangoes?
Yes. And then of course, you know, Malaysians, we really like our agar-agar or like our jelly. We're using vanilla Swiss roll. So the first thing you need to do is we're going to cut it up. Okay, slice it up. So we're going to just cut it to about that size. Okay,
so does it have to be like in circles, or it can be like...
As long as it's all equally sized lah.
Is it okay if you can test it first just to see whether it's nice
you
or
know,
not?
like if it's
the
dry.
texture, is it dry? No.
By the end of this, you're going to be so full. We're going to slice up the second one. Okay.
Store-bought also sedap. It's very nice. It's so good.
Yeah, I mean, that's why it's easier. I mean, you know, when you're cooking for so many people, you want to try and be as organized as possible. And if you can go out and buy a store-bought, just go out and buy a store-bought. So you can get the bowl. Okay, right here. So now what we want to do is we just want to line it up. Okay. If you can help me just line the bottom. Okay.
Just the bottom,
yeah. And then here we got some mangoes as well. I bought some that are like sweet and some that are sour. So you get a little bit of that tart. If not, like everything is a bit sweet. You know what I mean? So you see these little gaps here, right? So what you want to do is you just want to cut them. And then just fill it up. Okay? After every layer, what I like to do is just like taburkan a bit of the mango. So you're building up layers. So we're building the layers.
This is pretty easy, Ili.
Yeah. And the best bit is you can do this in advance. Put it in the fridge and then ta-da! The next day you have this amazing dessert that people think that you've been slaving for days trying to make.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Tell them, But will it get soggy or it's okay?
It's okay because we're going to set it with the jelly. Trifle is actually done with like strawberries. It's a summer pudding. You know, like it's English, but we're in a tropical country. So we can actually put like durian.
So how do you know how to make the agar-agar? Like,
you follow the packet. Okay, you just follow the packet.
So simple.
So there's about 1 liter lah. Kita agak-agak je. Okay, agak-agak is like more or less. Okay.
So is this good?
Yeah, it's good. So continue.
So final one.
Yes. So but you can see the layers. Cantik kan? This is so pretty. Okay. So we're gonna turn this on. Add this in.
Ooh. So the temperature has to be warm or hot?
You know, when you're cooking jelly, it's just until like the...
I can smell it already.
Yeah, until it smells good, right?
It smells so
until the white powder kind of disappears or disintegrates into the liquid.
So what will happen is, it will still be liquid.
Yeah, and then when you put it in there, then it will set. So you see, it starts steaming already, and then you can feel. Can you just just stir it? Boleh rasa like, can you feel like any sand bits at the bottom?
Not anymore. No.
Okay, so perfect. That's exactly
like Gordon Ramsay.
So we just want this to cool down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the santan custard.
Wow, santan custard! I've never heard of it. Seriously?
Okay, so santan is coconut milk. We're going to make a coconut milk custard. And here I've got thick coconut cream. So I'm just going to add this in. This is about 400 milliliters of coconut cream.
Yeah, I love santan.
Yes, so it's really nice and thick. And with coconut milk, we always need to add in a little bit of salt as well, just to bring up the flavor. And we're going to add in some sugar as well, okay? So 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Ooh.
Okay.
And the salt was a pinch of salt?
Just a pinch of salt, okay? And we can test it later, and we like, if you want it a little bit more salty, that's fine as well. We're just going to be using this as, you know, the base of, or the topping of our trifle, right? Because in normal trifle, you will have custard, like egg custard. So this is just a tropical take on a custard, basically. This is really a tropical...
This is tropical feeling, baby. It's
tropical
for you.
Christmas. Okay, so once it starts like steaming like this, and it starts bubbling, you got to take it off, okay? So we're going to turn this off, and then we're going to come back to our agar-agar here, or our jelly, and you can see that it's really like, it's like creating like a film, right? Okay, so now we can just pour this, still eating, this jelly straight onto
So you have to do it slowly instead of just pouring everything
exactly,
in?
because you want it to go into all the cavities or the crevices of the trifle, right? And you want it to like soak up. It has to be warm, okay? Because if not, can you see that jelly bit?
Yep.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
We don't want that.
We don't want that.
Yeah, because that's really like, basically it's really kind of like
Set.
yeah.
Oh my god.
So what's going to happen is all that beautiful sponge is going to soak up all the jelly. So what I like to do as well, just to kind of like help it, is I like to take a spoon and just kind of
Oh my god, love.
yeah, so that the jelly can get in between, right?
How long does it take to finish this dish?
Well, you know, it depends. About 10 minutes. If you cut everything up in advance, make sure that you have your prep all done. Then it's just a matter of like, you know, layering it up. Okay, so this goes in the fridge. Yeah, you got lots of fridges there, right? Thanks, Puteri.
You're welcome.
This is beautifully set. As you can see, it's no more jiggly. We've got our coconut cream custard. So if you like to give that a little pouring.
So swirl it.
Swirl it and pour it all in.
Oh,
yeah.
yes. Look at that.
And then here I have some dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
You know, just a little bit of sparkles, and of course some
different color.
Different color.
Texture,
so if you want to put like maybe kiwi would be nice, or some strawberry, just for a pop of color, you can do that. And then we're just gonna like
spread it out.
Spread it out.
Okay, guys. Good choice of fruits as well.
Thank you. Stay tuned in the next episode where Puteri teaches me how to make the perfect Christmas party floral arrangement.